gagawin sa ating klase ngayon. Kailangan nyo lang sundan ang nasa laptop or nasa screen. Okay, bago kayo tuluyang maupo, nais ko munang patitingnan ang inyong upuan kung mayroon bang mga kalat. At kung mayroon, pakilipit na lang ito at ilagay sa tamang lalagyan. Okay, now who is secretariat here?
Ako po, ma'am.
Mayroon bang lumiban sa ating klase ngayon?
Meron po, ma'am.
Okay, at kung mayroon namang lumiban, pakilista at kukunin ko yan mamaya pagkatapos ng ating klase. Okay, but before that, I want you to all to read our classroom rules. Please read, everyone.
Respect everyone. Use kind words and actions. Listen and learn. Engage and participate. Stay responsible and safe.
Before we proceed our proper discussion, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mariel M. Mabanding, your science teacher. Now, sino may nakaalala sa ating nakaraang talakayan?
Ako po, ma'am.
Okay. Ano yung ating nakaraang tinalakay?
About po sa electricity and energy transformation po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Electricity, energy, and formation. Now, Miss Boycer, what is electricity or electrical energy?
Electricity po, ma'am, is a kind of energy that makes appliances and lights work po.
Okay, very good. Another hand, Miss Malbas.
So ma'am, ang electricity po kay maka-help na siya para magana ang mga, like for example ma'am, kay oven, refrigerator, and etc.
Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to our second question. A student tries to complete a circuit using a plastic sponge instead of a metal sponge and the bulb does not light. Why didn't the bulb glow? What does this tell us about plastic and metal? I want you to answer Miss Fernandez.
The bulb did not glow because plastic cannot conduct electricity po.
Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to last question. Name at least 5 appliances that use electrical energy. I want you to answer Miss Aresga.
Ma'am, television po, refrigerator, electric fan, rice cooker, and computer.
Okay, very good. Those are all appliances that use electrical energy. Okay. Now, meron akong ipapakita mga picture dito. Kinakailangan nilang obserbahan dahil after that, I have here some question for you to answer. Okay, kinakailangan nilang obserbahan ang nasa blackboard. Okay, tapos na ba?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now, I have here some question. What do you see in the picture? Miss Obat.
Ang nakikita ko po sa board po, ma'am, is scissors, crank, pulley, knife, and doorknob po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Another hand, Miss proceed for the second question. Have you used this object before? Miss Linaw.
Oo, ma'am. I use scissor to cut papers and doorknob to open the door po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, for the last question, I want you to answer Miss Aresga. How do this object help make easier?
Kaya naman ma'am, kay like for example, kanang kutsilyo ma'am, kay kanang mapadali ang pag-slice ng mga gulay.
Okay, magaling. Ano ang ating tatalakayin ngayon or ano ang ating topic ngayon?
Based on my observation po, ma'am, I think po is about simple machine po, ma'am.
Okay, our topic for this afternoon is doing more with less, simple machine. Now, I want you to all to read our learning target. Please read everyone.
At the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to identify the different types of simple machines, explain how each type is simple works, give examples of simple machines used at homes, schools, and in the community.
Okay. Mayroon akong ihandang activity dito. I will divide you into two groups. For the group 1, these are the group 1 and these are the group 2. For the group 1 is identification activity and for the group 2 is demonstration activity. Group 1. And for the group 2, I will give you 5 minutes to finish your activity. Okay, lahat? Okay, group 1, maaari na kayong magbahagi ng inyong sagot. Okay, magaling, group 1. Bigyan natin ng dalawang bagsak ang group 1. Okay, for the group 2, maaari na kayong magbahagi ng inyong sagot. Okay, magaling. Bigyan ng dalawang bagsak ang group 2. Okay. Machines work. Can you please, everyone?
Machines make work easier and less tiring. They change force, directions, distance, or speed.
Okay. Changing the direction of force. So, example, ana, is kanang kung mubira ka paubos sa PC, di ba ang plug kay musaka na siya pataas, and then mo na siya ang example sa pulley, plug hole. Now, increasing the force you apply. So example ana is paggamit sa kanang crowbar aron mabayo bito ang kanang bugat ang nga mga objects. For example ana is ang crowbar and seesaw. Changing the distance or speed movement. Example, the end of a bat move faster because it travels a longer distance. Example, ana is kanang baseball bat, wheel and axle. Inclined plane. Okay. Now, what are the machines? Machines have been used since ancient times to make work easier and less tiring. They are not only found in factories, machines are everywhere. At home, kitchen utensils are simple machines. At schools, scissors, sharpeners, pencil, and even playground. Equipment like seesaw, wings, and slides are also simple machines. Ang mga machines is ginagamit na siya sa kanang since ancient times para to make work easier and less tiring. Onya, dili lang na siya makita sa mga factories but makita siya bisan asa. Then makita po siya sa sa home. Kitchen utensils are simple machines. Then makita po na siya diri sa schools. example, scissor, harpeners, pencil, and even diri po sa playground, makita po ang mga simple machines. Like sa kanang seesaw, swings, and slides are also simple machines. Now, what is simple machines? Simple machines is a basic tool that make work easier by changing the size or direction of a force. It helps people lift, move, or cut object with as a cord. So, ang simple machine is muna siya ang mga tools nga makahelp para mas mapadali ang pagtrabaho. Then, by changing the size or direction of a force. Then, makahelp po na siya sa ato to lift, move on the, and pagka sa mga objects nga dili kaayo need of force. Okay, naiintindihan mga bata?
Yes, ma'am. So everybody, eyes on me?
Eyes on you.
And eyes on you?
Eyes on me.
If you hear me, clap once. If you hear me, clap twice. Okay, I think prepare na dyan kayo mo. But first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Martiniat Mabas, your science teacher in this afternoon. So come on, kids. Ready na ba ka na maminaw?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready na? Ready na?
Aha.
Aha.
Ready na.
Okay, very good. So, kabalo naman good ko, naanamoy ka ng idea about sa atong topic karon. So, first, ginahamit ako ang tanan sa pagbasa.
Lever. A lever is a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point called the fulcrum. It lifts or moves object with less effort the farther the effort from the fulcrum. The less force is needed. Levers are useful in daily life for lifting or prying object safety. Example, seesaw, crowbar, battle opener, wheelbarrow.
Okay, thank you, class. So, very good. So, ang sana ng lever, naghatag ko example diri para mas masabtan jud kayo. So, kinsa na ato ng part? Okay, very good. So, tanan jud no, nakaato ng part. So, kakita naman magtuya-tuya no.
Yes, ma'am.
Tuya-tuya. So, kung mutuya ang isa ka bata diri so mapataas ang pikas. Nya pag diri na pud sa pikas ang paubos, so mapataas na pud ang pikas. So, class, so maka-help ni siya ang lever para mapadali ang atuang mga buluhaton. Just like for example, makatag kong example para sabtan din kay ninyo. For example, kanang can opener. Kinsa namin kag can opener?
Ako, ma'am.
Yes, dali ko familiar na natanan. So, makatabang na siya para dali na to ma-open ang isa ka object. So, very good. So, next, nag-answer ba ninyo ang sa lever?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. So, next, sige, pulley. So, basa everyone.
Pulley. A pulley is wheel with a broom or a rope. It lifts heavy object by changing the force direction or reducing it. For each pulley change direction, movable pulleys
elevators. So, very good. Nagets lang ba?
Yes,
O, sige na, pagpilin ko gets. Nagets lang ba?
Gets na gets.
Very good. Hindi man, nagets lang ba?
Gets na gets.
Very good. So, next. So, please read everyone.
Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a circular surface that moves objects to higher place gradually. Less step, less effort, longer distance, stepper, more effort, shorter distance. Example, ramp, slide, staircase, sloping road.
Okay, very good. Thank you, everyone. So, inclined plane. So, unsa na na inclined plane? So, isa siya kanang kuan na pinaana siya. So, kita mo ang mga slide?
Yes,
Sa
yes,
kuan?
ma'am.
Yes. Kung mag-slide mo, dali ka ba madidit?
Yes.
Yes. Dali ka ba madidit? Kinano ay paana man?
Inclined
Siya. So, mas mapadali kay pag kung mapadidit ka, madritso naman jud ka kay plane man siya. So, gets lang ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Gets lang ba?
Yes na gets.
Very good. So, slide. So, kinsa may hilig mag-slide, slide dali
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, I know. Park yung talan mo sa park. Ang mga labo sa inyo ang family. So, mga na siya ang incline plane. Kahit plane naman siya, so dali ra mas slide at isa ka object. So, very good. So, nag-gets na ba?
Yes na gets.
Very good. So, next. So, please read everyone.
Screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. Screws convert rotation into forward motion and hold object tightly. Screw is increase force but requires more turns. Example, bolt, jar lid, screw hook, light bulb, base.
Okay, thank you, class. So, asa na natin kung siya kasagalan makita ang screw?
Dira sa ano mo?
Mo, sa kanyang mga bisag nga, sa sira na ako. Kaya nga no, importante siya sa ato kaya nga no, if ever ka walay screw, kung man, mahulog kung sa object sa inyo mamutang. Just like for example, kanang ceiling fan, kung wala na yung screw, kung saan na?
Mahulog.
Hindi siya pwede dira sa taas, kaya wala siya screw. So, muna, importante din siya sa ato. So, muna ang iyang gamit para, mo sa man, mahugot ang isa ka
Object.
So, very good. Gets ba, student?
Yes.
Very good. So, next, we have which. So, please read everyone.
Which is two inclined planes joined together. It explains cuts or presses object later and longer with just more force. Examples: knife, axe,
Yes.
chisel, and scissors.
Yes, thank you. So, ang sayo ng which. So, isa siya kabutang nga makagamit siya ang ma-speed or kanang magbulag ang isa ka object or isa ka material. Just like for example, knife. So, asa ka sa ganang nakita natin ginagamit ang knife?
Sa kitchen.
Yes, sa kitchen. Pag walang magluto ka itong mga
Hiwa.
maghiwa og lamas. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mo mag-slice. Very good. And then ang gunting. So, makita natin siya dali sa school.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ano may ginagamit sa gunting?
Magkat sa mga materials paper, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Grabe ka natin yung tips ng mga students. So, muna siya ang gamit sa life. And then, like at sa food. So, gamit ko na siya para ibughaon kahoy. So, muna na siya ang example sa which. So, gets lang ba, class?
Gets na gets.
Very good. So, next one. So,
Wheel and
wheel.
axle.
Yes. Please read everyone.
A wheel and axle has large wheel attached to a smaller axle, turning the wheel towards the axle, reducing effort and friction. Larger wheel, more mechanical advantage. Examples: learn now, steering wheel, pistol sharpener.
Yes, very good. Thank you, class. So, wheel and axle. So, as you can see in the picture, is kaning duha is mo ni siya ang
Wheel.
wheel. And then kaning bakal nga nani sa tunga So karon, kay I hope nga naminaw jud ang tanan and I know nga naa jud mo nasabtan sa atong lecture karon na magi-prepare din ka ng mga question nga need ninyo nga ansiran. And then, ako lang siyang basahon and then you need to answer. But first, you need to raise your hands before you answer. Get lang ba, class? Hala, wala sila nitubag.
Yes, na get!
Okay, basahon ni teacher ha. And then, mag-raise lang mo hands if ever nakabalo mo sa answer. O dili po mo kabalo sa answer, si teacher ang nanawag kinsay mo answer. So, number 1, you need to lift a very heavy stone into a trap. Would you use a rock, inclined plane, or try to lift it straight up? Why? So, kinsay gusto mo answer?
Ako man.
Yes, Miss Mabanding.
Kuan man, it is better to use round inclined plane because it reduces the effort needed by spreading the work over a longer distance. This makes lifting easier and safer.
Yes, very good. So, can you repeat, Miss Boyser? The answer of Miss Mabanding?
According to Miss Mabandi po, ma'am, it is
Yes.
better to use a ramp inclined plane because it reduces the effort needed by spreading the work over a longer distance. This
Yes.
makes lifting easier and safer, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Para mas mapadali ang trabaho. So, very good, student. And then the second question. A crow is loose in the wooden chair. Should you push it into with your hands or use a screwdriver? So, I will read it twice. A screw is loose in a wooden chair. Should you push it in it with your hands or use a screwdriver? And why? So, kinsa gusto mag-answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, Miss Tilakan?
you should use a screwdriver because it makes turning the screw easier. A screw is
Yes.
a simple machine that holds things tightly when it turns properly.
Yes, very good. Kailangan mo punog kamot ang imong ilugid, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Masama di mong kamot. Nya dili mo siya dali kay gahig man jud na. So, need jud ka og screwdriver. So, very good. And then the last question, which would be more effective for cutting wood? A knife with a sharp edge or a flat piece of metal? And explain why. So, kinsay gusto mag-answer?
Ako man.
Yes? Yes, Miss How, can you answer?
A knife with a sharp edge is more effective because it acts as reach. The sharp edge concentrates force in small area, making cutting easier.
Yes, very good. Can you repeat the answer of Miss How, Miss Detras?
A knife with a sharp edge is more effective because it acts as a wedge. The sharp edge concentrates force in a small area to make it cutting easier.
Yes, kay nain mo kung kayo gamito na to ang kutsilyo, ikat ug kahoy, no? Kay gahit man ang
Yes,
wood.
ma'am.
Oh, sige, very good. Nakasabot jud di ay mo. So, karon na po kayo mga questions nila. Indeed, hapon ninyo nga answeran. So, why are simple machine important in our daily life? So, ano importante ang simple machine sa ato pang maadlaw-adlaw nga panginabuhi? Kasi gusto mo answer. So, wala. So, mag-call na lang po og apelido. So, may I call Miss Villamor to answer this question? So, why? Ako ang i-repeat ang question. Why are simple machines important in our daily lives?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
Miss
makes
Samson?
life easier, ma'am, because, like, for example, sa knife po, no need na ninyo mag-ano na, mag-slice na po, ma'am.
Yes.
Sa pagkatis, nahiwa na ninyo, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Mapadali ang ato mga trabaho
Yes,
or
ma'am.
mapadali ang ato luto.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the next one, number 2, how do simple machines help on the following people in their daily lives, like carpenter, farmers, housewives, and butchers? I will read twice the question. So, how do simple machines help the following people in their daily lives? Just like, for example, carpenters, farmers, housewives, Yes.
Gamit sila ng mga screwdrivers.
Yes, very
Ang
good.
padali lang katulad ma'am. Tapos like for example, kung ma'am sa mga farmers, may magamit sa mga housewives, magamit sila ng kutsilyo para din mapadali yun ang ilang batid ma'am.
So, very good! Mapadali jud ang mga buluhaton. So, can you give some ideas, Miss Mabanding? Sa atong question? How does simple machine helps to the following people in their daily lives? Like sa mga carpenters, sa mga farmers, sa mga housewives, and then sa butchers. So, yes? Miss Boyser, can you answer?
Again ma'am, kaysa it's very important din nila ma'am because yun nga, it makes it easier for them ma'am to work, especially sa mga carpenters, farmers, housewives, and butchers ma'am. But without ng
Simple machines?
yes po, is wala ma'am na ay dili makadali, maumaan po siya.
Yes, very good. So, magi ako na answer ni Miss Boyser. So, mahimo jud na, importante jud siya sa tuwa kay mapadali ang ato ang mga buluhaton sa pang-adlaw-adlaw. So, karon, magi ko jud ang question diri para mabalan ako kung nag-expand naman yung idea sa ato ang topic karon. So, first, what is a simple machine? Balikan ako. What is a simple machine? Sige, kasi gusto mo answer. Wants to answer. And if hindi mo answer, mag-call ko o abilido. Okay? Miss Samson, can you answer this question?
Gusto itong question, ma'am?
Sige, I repeat the question. So, what is a simple machine?
A simple machine is a basic tool that makes work easier by changing course.
Yes, can you repeat the answer of Miss Samson, Miss Baluis?
A simple machine, a basic tool that makes work easier by changing force.
Okay, very good. So, number 2, how do simple machine make our work easier? Number 2, how do simple machine makes our work easier?
Ma'am,
Yes?
there goes import or change the directions of force. ma'am.
Okay, very good. Bigyan ng tatlong bagsak. Very good. So, the fourth question, how do simple machines help us do more with less? Balik ko na ako. How do simple machines help us do more with less? So, who wants to answer? Just raise your hands.
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Mabandi, can you answer this question?
How do simple machine make work easier?
Yes.
Ako, ma'am.
Yes.
They reduce effort or change the direction of work.
Okay, very good. Bigyan ng 4 na pong bagsak. Okay, very good. Okay, number 5. What simple machine is used to open a bottle? Kasi ko ito kanina, kung naminaw mo. Okay, Miss Boyser.
A lever, ma'am.
What?
A lever.
Open a bottle?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple machine is used to
Open a bottle. Ako nang giniscuss kanina.
kanang pag-open sa bottle.
Yes? Unsa to? Unsa to mabuta? Katong pag-open sa bottle? Kan? Unsa to?
Liver. Example, eh, kung ano to sa liver.
Oh, example siya sa
Sa
liver. So, unsa man to? Katong pag-open ang bottle. And kabalo ko masayon na kayo ni siya nga question. And then, basaw ni teacher and then raise ninyo yung hands if ever gusto mo answer. So, number 5, what simple machine is used to open a bottle? Number 5, what simple machine is used to open a bottle? So, kasi gusto mo answer?
Ako, ma'am.
Yes, Miss Mabandi?
Katong dili, ma'am. Katong bottle opener.
Yes, very good. Bigyan ng 3 bagsak si Miss Mabating. 1, 2, 3. So, very good class. And, diran ako nakabalo nga na adjuday mo na-learn sa discussion karon. And very good class. Okay, everyone. Kay kabalo ko nga na wide na dyan inyong knowledge about sa itong topic karon. So, nakag-prepare diri nga ansiran ninyo. And then, true or false man ni siya. So, please get 1/4 sheet of paper. Everyone. Okay, so mag-start na lang, no? I-read lang ni teacher twice ang question and then i-answer lang ninyo. I-write niyo sa yung paper. Simple machines help make work easier Balikon, simple machines help make work easier by reducing effort or changing the directions of force. True or false? Okay. Okay na? And then number 2. A pulley always increases the amount of force used by it, but does not change the directions of force. A pulley always increases the amount of force used, but does not change the directions of force. It is true or false? Okay. So, last one. An inclined plane allows object to move to a higher place using less force over a longer distance. An inclined plane allows object to move to a higher place using less force over a longer distance. Is it true or false? Okay. So for our assignment, natagong assignment sa inyo ha, then ako nga niyong basahon para makabalumong sa inyong buhaton. And then pwede ninyo na siya ipasa next meeting na to. So as a student to look around their home and school and find 5 objects that use simple machines. They should first the object, second identify the type of simple machine, and then the third one is to explain how it helps reduce effort. Example, ram inclined plane help move steady object easily. Doorknob and rail and axle makes opening the door easier. And then fourth, expansion challenge. Which simple machine did you find most often, and why do you think it is commonly used? And then ipasa niyo siya next meeting na to. And then once again,